What's up, guys? Do you know you can make money just uploading images like this? Just kind of image. You just upload it, and the next thing I will show you here to enhance it. Just come to this website where you can enhance it to make the image brighter and better. Then you come to this website where you can just come and sell it, something like this. Imagine what this guy is selling right now. He's selling this image for about $22.49. And I want to know how much the guy has made. Let's calculate. Imagine this guy has he's selling this image for just $22.49, and look at how many he has sold. He has sold about 2,665 images. So look at it. Look at how much the guy made. About almost $60,000. That's what the guy has made. Are you still there? Do you know you can make money just uploading pictures? Do you want to make money uploading pictures? Free domain pictures? If you are there, say I am here. Let's start. Yes, I said it before now that I'm going to teach you how to get images free of charge and sell them as much as that. It's possible. In case if this is your first time joining me, this is from his Jury channel. These are my videos. I make videos on how to make money online. I make videos on how to make money from apps, even from affiliate marketing and the like. So please do it to subscribe to this channel and click the like button too. Thanks very much. So right now I'm going to tell you about these images. I'm going to show you where to get these images and how to enhance them and where to sell them. But I want to talk about something. What are these images? The images are public domain. Public domain consists of all the creative work to which no exclusive intellectual property rights apply. Those rights may have expired, been forfeited, expressly waived, or maybe inapplicable. So this is what we mean by public domain. So this domain is the people who that are already dead, or they are forfeited, or the ownership they had with this kind of domains. Or this can be pictures or images too. So what are we talking about? I want to take a sample on this kind of image. This image this man called Claude Monet. Look at this picture here. You can see that this man is really old. Let's say this person was 1940 to December 1926. That's really old. So this man can never be alive again. And this is one of the famous painters we had that years back. So you can get other inspirators from. If you want to search on this guy kind of image, you want to check on this. You want to go to Google and check famous painters. Famous painter, you can see them here. That is Pablo Picasso, or Vincent van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci, and this Claude Monet, the man we're talking about right now. So these are others you can have here who are famous painters. You can see them here. They're already here waiting for you to utilize. That's it. So how do you get these kind of images? Let's say you want to talk about oceans. You can see the kind of images that are all about oceans. But you can never come here and get these images. You can't claim because you may be suffering from what we call copyright. Let's say you say these images may be subject to copyright. So these are not royalty-free images at all. These are images that are free. They are public domain images, free of charge. So you can use them, you can enhance them, and start making money with them. It's as simple as that. So where do you get these kind of images? Like I told you, I'm going to show you where to get these images and where to enhance them and where to sell them. The first site I want to talk about right now is this website called freeimages.com. Freeimages.com. If you want to check this website, you can see that they have images that you can use for free. But because of time factor, I already searched for this image called Ocean, and they gave this image. So if what I want to do, I can just continue to work on this image. But first, let me show you other two websites you can still get free images from. Another website we call Raw Pixel. It's another place you can get free images from. Look at it. Look at the images. They're all here. You can get them, very beautiful images, and work on them and edit them. Another website I want to talk about right now is, look at it. It says public domain, and I search for ocean. Another website I want to talk about right now is metmuseum.org. This is another place to get free domain images, public domain images. So this is it. But right now I'm going to work on this website called free images. Let's say you already search an image on ocean. I want to download the image. You just got on this place called this image, and you want to download the one of 350 by 256. So you can just click on the download button there. So it's already downloaded. So what do? The next place you want to do right now is to enhance this image. If you look at this image, it's a little bit old. It's a little bit old. So what do we do? We want to make this image to be brightened. That is what we mean by enhancing. The next website I want to go to is this website called photofillers.com. I already have one detailed. Let's just start again. Let's see how it goes so that I can walk you through. What I want to do, the first thing you do here is come to File and open. Then you'll be taken to a place where you can upload the image. Right now, I just upload the image called this image here. Let me click and open. So it's already loading. See the image here right now. So when this image is uploaded, the next thing you want to go is go to this tab called filters. Filters, you can see the auto. You can see autocorrect 1, autocorrect 2, and if you click on the autocorrect 1, you will see the effect on the image. Let's go down a little bit and see the effect. You can see the image is a little bit dull, but click the autocorrect 1, you see it brightened. You can see that it's brightened right now. If you click autocorrect 2, it becomes brighter. But right now I want to go, let's go with the autocorrect 1. When you click the autocorrect 1, the next thing you want to do is to apply. Click on apply. When it's applied, then you go to what? To basic. Go to basic and click on the spot called blur and stroke sharpen. Click on it. Then you'll be open to this tab that says 0, this sharpen. Take the sharpen to 10. If you take to 10, you can see the image is already sharp. Now it's sharp. Okay, it's sharper. Then this blur, you leave the blur 0. Don't increase it, leave it 0. Then what do? You apply to. Apply. They can see our image is brighter. It's brighter and better. Then after this, then you save. Click on the file. Then click on save image as. You can save image, you can just save it with any name. Let's say I want to save this image with Cloud Monet. They can save in the JPEG or the PNG format, but in use I want to save with the JPEG and click on the save button. Yes, click on save. You can see if you see the quality right now, you see it 80. You can see it move to 100 again, and you see the image brighter, far brighter than what we had before now. So you click on the save button, click and save. Now we have our image saved right now. The next part we want to talk about is how do we sell this image right now? How do we promote this image? How do we make money from this image? The first website I want to talk about right now is Redbubble. Redbubble is a website you can sell images. Look at the images here right now. People already selling them. What they did, they collected the public domain images, they enhanced them and came here to sell them. This guy is selling for at least for about $23.80. You can sell as much as this. Look at this person here. This person, like I told before now, he's already selling for $22.49. And we see calculator. Let's punch our calculator. You see, this guy has sold about $22.49 multiplied by 2,665 sales. So look how much the guy has made. He has made about $60,000 just selling this image, this single image. And this is what you can just do. This is what you cannot do. So if you go to Redbubble, you can just you can get this image sold for that amount of money. The next place you want to go to is this website called Printful. Printful is another place you can use to sell your product that you can use to sell your images to. How do you do this? You can integrate this website called Printful to your Etsy. Etsy is another place for you to sell a product. Like I said before now, this image is already selling with this amount of money. Just go to Etsy and create an account, then go to look at the images here. Look at the images here. Others are already selling it here right now. Look at them. People are making money from these images. Free public domain images. People are making money from there. If you just want to sell these images in frames, then you have to come to this website I told before called Printful. They will help you to put images in frames. So what you do is you just create an account in Printful. When you create an account in Printful, it's free of charge. Create an account. Then the next thing you can just click on posters, search for posters, and the next thing you can come to custom home and living products. The next thing you want to come to this spot, just come here, custom posters. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a place where you can add frames to your images, just like that picture you saw there. Add frames to your image. So let's wait for it to load. So when you're in Printful, you can just click on the poster. Like I already searched for posters. I searched for posters and it took me here. So what do? You see other kind of posters with different designs here. But in this case, I need the one that has frame. So let's come here, click frame posters. Frame posters. Let's click on it and get it loaded. Alright, you can see it loaded. Look at them. Look at them here. Let's take down. Let's see if you can see the one of different designs. Let's go down. Yes, let's see the one here. You will say you can see the woody design behind it. So what do we do? Let's just click on it. Alright, so when you click on it, it loads to this page. And you can see the frame here. You can see the frame. So what do? You want to choose the frame color. You can click on the oak color, click on it. Then you can want to check the size. Look at it. You want to check the size. You can click on this size. Then yes, you can see it's now bigger. Then what do? You now click on start new order. Click on start new order. The next thing is to what? Click on create your order. So it takes us to this spot. Before now, I already uploaded one, so you can see it already uploaded here. But click on continue, and to generate your files for you. See, generating files. So you get your photo generated here with the frames attached. So like I said before now, you can just do it to integrate this website to your Etsy account. Let's look at it. Say connect Etsy account. How do you do that? Just click on this part called integration. Then go to online marketplaces. You can connect to Etsy, Amazon, eBay. I want to integrate your Printful account to Etsy using this part called online marketplaces to Etsy. You'll be told to connect your store to you'll be told to connect Easy Store, and there's a way you can do that. You can just scroll down to the bottom of the site and see how Etsy print on demand drop shipping works. How Etsy print on demand drop shipping works. So you can watch this video and see how you can connect your Printful to your Etsy and start making money. So now is the time for you to start making money. Just copying pictures and uploading them. Nothing is as easy as that. So if I've made impact, if I've added knowledge to you, please do it to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.